Welcome back, developers. Today, we have something incredible to share with you. Have you ever wished for a seamless coding experience right in your browser? Well, your wish has come true with GitHub.dev, the game-changing web-based editor designed exclusively for developers like you. With GitHub.dev, you can access your repositories, make changes, and collaborate with ease, all in a single web-based platform. No more switching between different tools or installations. It's time to take your coding to the next level. Imagine having a fully featured code editor at your fingertips wherever you are. Whether you're on your laptop, tablet, or even your phone, GitHub.dev ensures a responsive and intuitive experience. Say goodbye to being tied to your desktop. Now, you have the freedom to code anytime, anywhere. And don't worry about those slow loading times. GitHub.dev is built to be lightning fast, allowing you to work on your projects without any interruptions. The powerful editor provides syntax highlighting, auto-suggestions, and much more, making your coding journey smooth and efficient. Collaboration has never been easier. With GitHub.dev, you can invite your team members to join your project, making it a breeze to work together, share ideas, and build amazing things. Don't let distance hinder your progress. Now, you can code in real time with your colleagues no matter where they are. GitHub.dev also seamlessly integrates with the powerful features of GitHub, such as version control, pull requests, and code reviews. This means you have everything you need to streamline your workflow, manage your projects efficiently, and ensure the highest quality code. So, get ready to explore GitHub.dev and revolutionize the way you code. Enhance your productivity, collaborate effortlessly, and say goodbye to the headaches of traditional